I'm Gwen Morrell Powell, and I have been studying Forex for some time now. But I have found that nobody teaches Forex like Mr. Syed Ali. He gives us so much detail. It is so easy to understand what he's saying. I understand the concepts of price action, higher highs and higher lows, leverages, spreads. Every detail that I need to know about Forex, Mr. Ali has trained in the free Forex training. I am so appreciative of him. I am still a work in progress, so I'm continually to be a part of the private student group that he's also made available to us. And I'm just so grateful and so thankful that I found this course. And it is absolutely free. So I thank you, Mr. Ali, for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to using your principles and your teaching methods and to become a profitable foreign exchange trader. Thank you so very much.